Hello, my first graders. We're going to take a look at our last lesson actually for this unit on measurement. You have done fantastic. So let's dive in and see. The pencil has disappeared. My pencil. So I'm just going to use my trusty Sharpie and some, I'm going to see if I have enough shorter paper clips today. Because it doesn't matter if they're the short or the large ones, you just have to use the same size. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at our Sharpie. Okay? All right. What rules do I need to follow when I am measuring this? What was that first rule? Whatever we're using, we have to line it up. It has to start the same spot, right? And second rule, okay, my Sharpie is 3 paper clips long. Nope, there cannot be spaces in between what we are using to measure, okay? And rule number 3, I just want this to be done, so I'm gonna use a big one. There we go. Nope, all the objects that we use must be the same size, okay? That's rule number 3. Rule number 4, go, my Sharpie is 5 paper clips long. Nope, rule number 4 says they cannot be overlapping. That. Okay, so did I follow all those rules? Yes. Okay, yes. All right. Now we're going to pretend that these pieces of paper, okay, we're going to measure these pieces of paper. Okay, how can we measure these with something, with anything? Since we're at home, it's that whatever you've been using, but I'm going to use our bears. Okay, so how can I use our bears? Following those rules, what do I need to do? First off, we gotta line them up at the end to end, right? Some of these are cats. Okay, and they have to be touching as best as possible. Okay, what if I stood them up? Then you can see them better. There we go. It's gonna cover up that paper a little bit, but I can always scooch them back. I'm gonna line all these up. Okay, end to end. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna scoot these back. There we go. Okay, so it might look like they're not end to end, but I promise you they are. That's just the angle that my computer screen is at right now. Okay, all right, so which paper is the longest? Which paper is the longest? Yeah, this one is the longest, okay? How much longer is it than the shortest one? So if we're gonna do this, we gotta line them up all the way. I'm gonna scoot that one out of the way. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bears is the length of this one. And what's the length of this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is 9 minus 5? It's 4. So the longest paper is 4 bears longer than the shortest, okay? How did that work? We wanted to find the difference. And when we want to find the difference of something, we subtract, okay? All right, what is the difference in length between this snake, the second longest snake, and the shortest. Well, now we're going to take a couple of those away. I had 9, I just took away 2. How many do I have? 7. Okay, and then this one is 5 bears long. So what's 7 minus 5? 2. So this one is 2 bears longer than the shortest paper. Okay, all right. Quick little review. And we're going to be reviewing everything that we have learned so far in this, or everything that we have learned in this unit, okay? And then tomorrow is your post-assessment, okay? All right. So we're gonna read the clues and circle shorter or longer to make the last sentence true. See where it's in parentheses? When you have a sentence and then some words are in parentheses, it's kind of the same, similar to having a blank, but instead of you having to write the word, they're wanting you to choose which answer it is, okay? All right. So, and we're going to draw the lines to prove our answer. So for the first one that I'll help you with, we need an orange. Where's my orange? Not orange. Okay, we need an orange, we need a green, and we need a red. Okay. We're going to make our key. There's the red. There's the green. And there's the orange. I can hear Lynn laughing in the closet because she's playing with OJ. I think that my closet is cooler. I open up a window, turn on some fans. So it's kind of warm in here first thing in the morning. But I think OJ's been sitting in my closet because the temperature is cooler. All right, so clue number 1. The orange line is shorter than a green line. And the green line is shorter than a red line. Okay. I'm going to turn this around so I can read that. Orange line is shorter than a green line. The green line is shorter than a red line. The orange line is going to be either shorter or longer than the red line. I always found these kinds of things tricky when I was in school. Let's see. The orange line. So I'm just going to draw a line. You don't have to draw yet. The orange line is shorter than a green line. So that means that the green line is longer than the orange line. So just a little longer. And that means too that the red line is longer than the green line. Okay. So now you can draw them. Okay, so that means that the orange line is shorter or longer than the red line. Definitely shorter. So I'm going to circle shorter. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's do one more. I'll help you with one more on here because these can be kind of tricky. These can be tricky. But they're still very important skills. Okay, so for this one, oh, I need my green still. Looks like I need green. Okay, and I need pink. Ooh, tickle me pink. That's a pretty pink. Okay, and we need purple. Purple. What pretty colors they're letting us use for this. Okay, all right, so now The purple line is shorter than a pink line. The pink line is shorter than a green line. The purple line is shorter or longer than the green line. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a line. So the purple line is shorter than the pink line. So I'm just going to draw a purple line. Okay, and we know that the pink line is going to be shorter than the purple. So when I draw my pink line, it's got to be shorter. Hope you guys can see that. I try to make it a little darker so you can see it. I'll do the same with my purple. Okay, the purple line, oh, is shorter than the pink. Whoops, that means that the pink is longer than the purple. I suppose that's what happens when you read upside down. Everything is opposite. Okay, the purple line is shorter than the pink line. The pink line is shorter than a green line. Okay, so that means the green line, whoops, okay, is going to be longer than the pink. The purple line is shorter or longer than the green line. Is shorter. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys try this third one on your own. Okay, you find it a little tricky, ask a grown-up, okay, or have them call me. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at this page, the next page, measurement in problem solving. Okay, Sarah measured a book. The book was about 9 erasers long. John measures the same book and uses 12 paper clips. Why did John need more paper clips to measure the book? Well, those erasers, what do you think those erasers look like compared to the paper clips? They are bigger. So the paper clips, and you have the word paper clips right there. Paper clips are shorter. We're going to use our length words. Are shorter than the erasers. E-R-A-S-E-R-S. Okay? So they want you to tell why or what is the answer. Okay? So you're going to answer these two questions as well. Okay? And if you're still writing, pause the video here and finish writing and then hit play when you're ready to move on. Okay, let's take a look at the next page. Okay, eraser measurement. Okay, first, estimate the number of erasers you think we'll need to measure each line. Next, cut out the eraser ruler and measure the exact number of erasers and then record your answers. So before we're cutting anything, they want you to write the guess on all of them, okay? And your guess can be different than mine. I'm gonna guess that this line is 2 erasers long. If you wanna guess that it's more than that or less than that, you go ahead. Now write a guess in this line. How many erasers long is this line? Okay, now write a guess for this line. Go ahead and do that now. Now write a guess for this one. How many erasers long is this line? Okay, so you should have a number written in each line here next to where it says guess. That number is your guess of how many erasers long this line is. Okay, if you're still thinking, Pause the video, hit play when you're ready. Okay, now only after all of our guesses are written down, now we're going to cut the eraser ruler. We're going to follow directions. And now we're going to actually measure. Okay, so I'm going to cut this part off so that that exact corner is where my dot's going to be. And look at that. How many erasers long is this line? 2 erasers. I was right. Yay, I'm learning. Okay, so I'm going to write a 2 right there, and you're going to use your eraser ruler to measure and write how many erasers long your line was. If your guess is correct, congratulations. If it's not, that's okay. It's all in fun for math. Okay, so if you need help practicing anything else, then have a grown-up call me. Take a look back at the other practice page sets that you've done this week. See if there's anything maybe that you would want to redo to practice, because tomorrow is our post assessment. And then next week, we're going to start a brand new unit. Okay? Have a wonderful rest of your day. Work hard, and I will talk to you and see you later.